Hello guys, this is Kajal Khatri. Welcome to the wonderful world of creative coding or processing with me. In this brief and interactive tutorial, we are going to explore the basics of drawing squares and rectangles using the rect function. In processing, drawing shapes is as simple as few lines of code. Let's dive in and create some shapes. First, let's draw a square. So for that, let's write the basic setup function. Let me write void setup. And then I'll write the size with 400 and 200. This is how we set the canvas size. Now, after doing the setup function, let's write the draw function. And then the background with 255 to set it to white. To draw a square, I'll write rect and 50, 50, 100, 100. Like this. So this line of code draws a square at position 50, 50 with a width and a height of 100 pixels each. And if we want to fill it with red color, we can do that by writing fill and in parentheses 200, 100 and 100. Like this. This line sets the fill color used for drawing shapes to red. The arguments 200, 100 and 100 represent the red, green and blue components of the color respectively in the RGB color space. And to draw a rectangle of color blue, I'll write fill 100, 100 and 200 to set the color to blue and rect 200, 50, 150 and 75 to draw a rectangle at position 250 with a width of 150 and a height of 75 pixels. Now let me hit run and show you the output. Here we go. That's it for now guys. Feel free to adjust the coordinates and dimensions to create your own unique shapes. Let your creativity flow as you explore the possibilities of drawing squares and rectangles in processing. Thank you.